Okay, another construction, which remember my favorite. We're going to construct a perpendicular line, and we're going to use a compass and a straight edge and do so with a point that's not on the line. So first thing I want you to do is use a straight edge and make me a line. It does not matter how long it is, but don't do it too short, and it doesn't really need to be too long. Now find yourself a point and just put a point anywhere, and the smaller that is, usually the better. And let's call that point P. Let's call this line M. Now I need a perpendicular line to that, and there's only going to be one of those. So what you're going to do is quite simply put your point on P and open up your pencil so that when you make your arc, it's going to cross twice. If you've got it too far, it won't cross out here. You don't want it too close because then it won't cross at all. So just make sure that it's going to cross. And then sometimes it helps to actually stand and sweep through one long arc. I would suggest not buying this cheap little compass. And if you do, it just starts wiggling too easily, and you have to tighten this little screw to make it work. I find those that are a little bit more expensive are better. It doesn't have to be really expensive, but this little one right here is not a very good one, and it gets really frustrating when it doesn't work well. Now let's put a point on each of these intersections and call one of them A and the other B. All right, take your compass again. You're going to put the point on A, and you need to be opened a little bit more than halfway. And that won't matter on this one.